Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Bank of America. To start, open the website bankofamerica.com, then log in with your user ID and password. Since we currently have our two-factor authentication turned on, we have to verify our identity first by requesting an authorization code. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Security Center. On this page, scroll down a little. Under Security Preferences, you will see a text that says Enhance your two-factor authentication. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow. A drop-down message will then appear. On the drop-down message, you will see that your two-factor authentication is currently turned on. Click on the toggle switch to turn it off. That's how you disable two-factor authentication on Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.